Alright, Charlie, good morning, guys. I hope you are keeping safe. May God bless everything that you do. I watched a video somewhere and the video is so nice that I said, let me try it and see. I actually tried and it worked. So I want to do the same thing to educate my people here. It's just about the use of the hand sanitizer, okay? How to effectively use the hand sanitizer to avoid any danger, okay? So all you need is a plate like this, okay? Inside very dry, there's nothing inside the plate. Then you need your hand sanitizer. Make sure you get your hand sanitizer. Then you need a glass of water, okay? It is not necessarily glass. It can be pure water or it can be a water in a cup. So then you need your matches as well. You need your what? Your matches. Then you need some tissues around, okay? Tissues around. So all you have to do is to just drop a little of the hand sanitizer inside the plate, okay? A little of the hand sanitizer like I just did. You drop a little, then you cover it nicely. You take your matches, or it can be a lighter. It can be either matches or lighter. You understand? You use the match. You light your matches nicely. You light it just to heat the hand sanitizer inside the plate. So you on it like this, and then you heat it a little. You heat the hand sanitizer inside the plate a little. Then take a little of your tissue and see what happens. You see that the tissue is burning. Have you seen what is happening? The tissue is what? Burning. Very good. You take another one. You realize, you drop it again and see the tissue is what? Burning. You see it? The tissue is still burning. So take your water, try to quench it, and take another tissue and see what will happen. It is still burning. The tissue is still burning. Very good. So what does it tell you? It tells you that those who are using the hand sanitizer, smearing the hand sanitizer on your skin, you are overprotecting yourself ignorantly. Don't think you are protecting yourself to the extent that you cause harm to yourself. This hand sanitizer contains alcohol. You understand? So make sure before you get to fire, before you get to where there is fire, wash your hand. Get rid of the alcohol. The alcohol on your hand. So those who are thinking that you are just to protect yourself, please, I am begging you, you are rather causing harm to yourself. You understand me? Yes, as I said earlier, this hand sanitizer contains alcohol. You are a woman, you want to go to the kitchen and prepare your food, make sure you wash your hand. Get rid of the alcohol-based hand sanitizer on your hand before you go. Otherwise, this can cause danger. Please, share this video, save a life, and together we fight COVID-19. Thank you very much.